Welcome to Best Useful Tips. Here I will show you how to change Windows 10 background pictures. There are two ways to change the Windows 10 background pictures. Let's see one by one. Right click on your desktop. Tap on personalize. Here you can see the background color, lock screen themes, font option. In background by default set solid color. Now tap on our pictures. You can see change background picture on your Windows 10 desktop devices. You can choose picture from list you want to set on your Windows 10 background. Now let's see change the wallpaper on your Windows 10. Also choose photo from your computer or desktop devices drive from. Also choose a fit you want to fill, tile, center, span you want. Let's see other method. Tap on start button or double tap on setting icon or double tap on my computer. Now tap on open setting. Now tap on open setting. You can see Windows 10 setting. Now tap on personalization. Here you can see background. Now tap pictures and select picture or browse pictures from your computer or desktop devices you want. It's quite easy. I hope this tutorial is helpful to change Windows 10 background pictures or wallpaper in your PC or laptop devices. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more video.